Hello, in this lecture we create a table. Let's declare a variable my table and we use table dot new to create a table. Okay, it first he asks us position. What is position? Here possible value. Position top left is here. Position top center is here. Position middle left is on middle. Okay, on middle here, like this. We prefer position dot top right here. Second is column. For example, column is like this. For example, I draw okay. For example, this is column. Okay, this have 3 column. Okay, and 4 rows. Okay, these are rows. So he ask us column. We say 2. He asks also rows. I told what is rows. We write 5 for example. Ask bg color. We say for example color dot white. Enough for now. It also needs cell. Table dot cell. What is this? This first ask us our ID. Our ID is this, my table. He say, okay, we have a lot of cell here. Okay, I mean this. For example, here, if I, for example, want to use this. This is on row on column 2, column 1 because it's a start from 0. Okay, this is column 0, this is column 1. If we want to give it coordinate, so this is a column 1 and rows 1. Okay, row 1 first. Okay, this is row 2. Okay, this is row 0 row. This is column 0. Okay, so we start from column 0 and row 0. Okay, and give him a text. For example, our open. Okay, for example, open. We save and we add it to chart. As you see here, we have open. Okay, and we add another column on second row. Okay, so we copy paste it, and we say on second row, and we name it to kilos. Okay, and now we have open and kilos. In front of open, after we open, we want to write in second column open price. Okay, so here we write on second column, and on first row we write str dot to string our open price, and also we write our, as you see here, we have our open price. Okay, and here also we have, we write our kilos price. like this. Okay, for example, here we can change it, change his position if it's not clear. For example, top, not top, for example, middle, right. So here it's no clear, more clear here. Okay. Like this we can add here something else. Frame width, for example 1 or 2, and frame color, for example color dot green. Let's see what will happen. As you see, we have here a color. Okay, and so we can have in between of this line too. Here there is, for example, border width, for example 2, and border color, for example color dot blue. And here as you see in issue. Okay, we want if open is higher than close. Okay, here in first row, our first row be green if open is less than close. Okay, we want all table will be green. Okay, else if open is higher than close, we want all this will be yellow, for example. Okay, let's do this. And here you can add to all these BG color. Okay, BG color. We say if close is higher than open, so here color dot green. Otherwise color dot red. Okay, but this not a, we can need it, make a little change. No need. Let's add it. Let's see result. Okay, here because open is greater than close, we have red. Here because open is greater than, here because close is greater than open, we have green. Okay, so here with this method we can change background too. Okay.